Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and today we are back with yet another amazing opportunity. This is an important update regarding the hiring opportunity from Cognizant. Yes, Cognizant has started its on-campus hiring for 2025 batch in most of the colleges, and registration is open. This is a very good sign. Still, if Cognizant is not visiting your college, it is a good sign that Cognizant has started its on-campus hiring, and soon it will going to start the off-campus hiring. So this will be beneficial for all the students of 2025 batch because Cognizant comes up with a very good package and is one of the most favorite companies of all the students of the engineering graduates. So let's start. And today in this video, we will discuss the hiring process, the syllabus, the pattern, and each and every mandatory information that you need to know before applying for this particular drive. And still, if you have any confusions, you can always comment down below. So let's start the video. So as you can see in my screen, we have like Cognizant on-campus hiring for 2025 batch. So as you all know, Cognizant is a big brand and it always comes up with lots of benefits for their employees. So first of all, it's ranked 19 on Fortune Brands board. It's named Forbes World's Best Employer Company, ranked 629 on Forbes Global 2000, and ranked top 3 companies on LinkedIn in by April 2024. So this is the like a very good company. Okay, and it also supports your higher education. It gives you co-sponsored higher education programs, digital honors programs, and there is no service bond. That's the biggest advantage. So let's start now. So as you can see, the Cognizant Gen Z benefits, as I have already discussed, they offer you higher education. It means in some of their programs, they also give you a chance to study more as well as you job, like you work. Okay. Next is digital honors program. This is accelerated career path for all the achievers, like those who want to achieve good grades and want to study and already they are studying. So like you want to go for a master's, so they are going to fund your master's as well, and there is no service bond. But this is the most important part we must focus on. The first thing is Gen Z Next. They are offering 6.75 LPA. That's a very good package. Okay, so 6.75 LPA. This is the package that is they are hiring for. And now Gen Z Pro, it is for 5.4 LPA, and Gen Z is 4 LPA. And what will be the job designation? The designation will be program analyst, and again program analyst, and here it will be program analyst trainee. So if you will be hired for Gen Z, you will be called as program analyst trainee, and other two you will be the program analyst. So this is the eligibility criteria for 2025 batch. Like you must be passing your education of PE, BTech, ME, MTech. All the streams are eligible. Only like that are very out of the box streams for this particular role that are not allowed, like leather technology, food technology, and fashion technology. These are not allowed to participate in this drive. Rest all streams can take part. Okay. You must have a consistent academic record of 60% in your 10th, 12th, and diploma, UG, and PG. Okay. This is always mandatory in most of the companies. So 60% criteria is always there. Students with standing arrears are not eligible. So if you have any standing arrears, means you have any standing, like you want to clear some exams, you were failed, so you're not allowed to take part. Okay. So this is the very strict rule. Next, we are talking about flexibility to work from Cognizant office location. Okay, means you must be eligible, like you must be flexible wherever you are deployed as per their business requirements. You must be happy to work there. Next is open to only Indian nationals. Okay, like you must be residing in India. Next, this is the hiring and registration process. First will be an online round that will be a communication assessment. Before this also, there will be your shortlisting. Yes. So first of all, you will share your profile with your college TPO. Then your college TPO is going to send all the details to the company, and company is going to shortlist the candidates for the hiring process. And then once your hiring process has been started, then these are the 3 rounds which Cognizant is going to take. Round 1 will be an online assessment. Round 2 will also be online assessment, that will be like aptitude and technical assessment, and round 3 will be a in person. Like you have to visit to office or either companies coming to your college for the interviews, and you will be shortlisted for Gen Z Next, Gen Z Pro, and Gen Z categories based on your marks or performance in the above two rounds. You will be put up in a stream. Okay, these are the three rounds. Moving ahead, so this is the hiring flowchart that has been provided by the company itself. So as you can see, first of all, there is a registration. This is the first step. This would be the second step. Screening is the shortlisting. If you are cleared, here it is mentioned, if cleared, then you will be taking part in the communication assessment. And if you will be clearing this, you will be jumping onto the online assessments, where there is aptitude assessment and technical assessment. This will be the round two, that is online round. Okay, and if cleared, here it is again mentioned, if cleared, then you will be jumping to the offline technical interviews for Gen Z Next or Gen Z Pro or Gen Z, any one. And if cleared, if selected, then they will be giving you letter of intent. Okay, so this is the exact flowchart that will be followed by the company for this year of hiring. Okay, so first thing, that is a screening round. How we can shortlist, how you can shortlist in the screening round. Yes. So you must make your resume as per their skill set, as per the skills which are asked for the company. So make your resume accordingly. Don't create so much of blunder in the resumes. Okay. And one more thing, while making your resume, as you can see, let me go to the last slide. See, they have asked like resume attached with the latest passport size photograph. It means your photograph must be there on the resume. If you want to know how to make a resume for this particular company or for any hiring, or you want like our mentor should check your resume like and make some alterations and suggest you some advices how you can improve the quality of your resume, you can just mail us your resume and give us a quick you can give a quick call or send a message. You can just tell us, you can come to us. Our phone numbers are there in the description box, like I am so and have sent the resume for verification, then our mentors will guide you properly on that. Okay, so your resume must have a passport size photograph. And one more thing, industry accredited certificate if available must be uploaded. It means if you have any like good certification, if you have done any certification that is industry specialized, so you must upload that as well while you are registering for this particular job. These are mandatory documents you must have. Okay, so by this way your first hurdle will get cleared. Okay, give relevant skills, relevant projects, and relevant experiences to stand out. Moving to second thing, that is the communication assessment. This will be for 45 minutes. There will be three sections in total. The first section will be reading and grammar. There will be, you have to read some passages and answer some AI generated questions. Okay. Next is like the grammar will be checked. So please be comfortable enough to with your spellings, with your vocabulary. Okay. So write good spellings and recheck your answers. Okay. And be time efficient also. Section 2 will be comprehension and listening. Like section test your ability to listen a passage. Like AI will dictate a passage, they will read a passage, and you have to answer some of the related questions. Next is section 3, that is speaking. You need to speak on a given topic. Yes, so AI will put you a topic and you have to speak on that topic for with correct pronunciation, correct vocabulary usage, and avoid fillers. Fillers are basically like I was speaking about so this you have to exhibit. Okay, you don't speak with fillers. This section is critical as it assesses your spoken English directly. So you will be assessed on your spoken English. So please be comfortable. Try to speak in English as much as possible before giving this online assessment. Okay, and this is an elimination round. So please don't skip this. Okay, prepare well. If you want to have a one-on-one chit chat with our mentors, where they can just guide you quickly on all the communication assessment and aptitude assessment, or you want to prepare particularly for this company, you can come to us. Like I will also share you the resources. Stay in the video till the end. Okay, next, this is the aptitude assessment. these are the official screenshots, guys, from directly from the company website. That is why these are some blurred, but I want to keep the information as exact as possible. Okay, so this is aptitude assessment. Their duration will be 80 minutes. There will be two sections: quantitative aptitude and analytical and logical reasoning. If you want to check the complete syllabus, all the important topics, you can reach out to us on our website. I will also share it with you. The website link is in the description, and there is a complete blog written on this. You can go through that blog, and all the details with the syllabus has been mentioned there as well. Okay, so do follow that as well. Next is the final, that is the technical assessment. This will be for 120 minutes. There will be again three sections. The first section will be coding section. Here your testing skill, the coding will be tested. They will give you some codes. You will have to work on that. The codes will be related on Python, data structure, functions, OOPS, file handling, and more. Section 2 will be a MySQL round where they will just test your skills related to the databases concepts like DDL, DML, SQL operations, joins, and more. Third will be a knowledge-based MCQs where multiple choice questions will come related to your computer knowledge, some Unix commands, shell scripting, data warehousing, ETL concepts, and cloud fundamentals. And again, this is also an elimination round. But before technical assessment, you have to choose clusters. So there are three clusters. Cluster means a group of technologies. You have to choose at least two clusters. From these two clusters, the questions will be put up. Like first cluster is Java programming, second cluster is Python programming, and third cluster is C hash programming. It means out of these three languages, whichever you are comfortable in while registering, you have to choose your clusters. Okay. So with Java, there will be database and coding like HTML, CSS, JavaScript. With Python, it will come cloud fundamentals, but not HTML, CSS. With C hash, there will be HTML, CSS. So you have to read this carefully and then apply for a particular cluster. Okay. Queries will be same. Database questions will be same in all the three clusters. The difference is of coding language, and then web UI is only with Java programming, that is cluster 1, and with C hash, that is cluster 3. Cluster 2 is having Python with cloud fundamental MCQs. Okay, so go through this once you are applying. These are some important notes for registration. As I said, you have to choose two preferred skill clusters for the technical assessment. If you will choose cluster 1, then 85% questions will be on Java. If you choose cluster 2, then 85% of questions will be on Python. And if you choose cluster 3, then 85% of questions will be on C hash and SQL. SQL is common in all the three clusters. The final decision of mapping the clusters will be done solely by the company. Like as per their business requirements, they will put you in any of the two preferred clusters. Ensure student registration is done accurately as it will be considered final. You cannot change your anything. You cannot change your scores, your name, your educational documents after you have given the online assessment. So before registration, just once go through all the documents so that you do not miss any important thing. Okay, check the spelling of your names, everything. All communications will be sent through registered email ID in Superset. Yeah, of course, this is a Superset hiring. So the link will be given to you from your college TPO only. Okay, you have to take the registration link from the college TPO as it is an on-campus hiring, and then you have to apply for this, and everything will be shown to you on your college email ID. Okay, and it must remain unchanged until you get the full-time onboarding letter. You must not change your email IDs before that. So this we have already discussed. Now coming to mandatory documents for interview. Yeah. So hopefully you all are going to get shortlist for the interviews as well. I hope you all the very best. You all clear your online assessments and you will be reaching to this interview last round as well. Okay, so before your interview, you must have your college ID card, your 10th, 12th diploma and UGPG mark sheets, hard copies. Yes, you must have these. PAN card is mandatory for all, and there must be accuracy with the names and other details. If you have any corrections in your PAN card, just make them beforehand, correct your PAN card. and you must have a passport or a voter ID card for your proof of your nationality. So you must hold a passport or a voter ID card. This is very beneficial. So if you don't have any of this, just go for at least one document, or you can make both of the documents. So now, how to prepare? So this is the best resource I am going to give to you. We are going to talk about Talent Battle. So as you click on the link, this is complete placement preparation masterclass where we are preparing students for their on-campus and off-campus hirings. Okay, and we prepare you with all the details such as quantitative aptitude. Let me just show you the roadmap at first. How we prepare. Yeah, this is a course roadmap as you can see on my screen. First of all, we will be giving you skills on cognitive skills. Like we will be improving your cognitive skills like aptitude, logical reasoning, verbal ability from basics to advanced. Then you can start with the programming skills. We have all the four languages: C, C++, Java, and Python programming. We will be giving you skills based on this. Next, we have projects and certifications, like all the things, all the four technologies. You will be making a number of projects based on that. Okay, you will get number of certifications. Like for every skill, you must be getting a certification from Talent Better, and this is an industry level certification. You can share it in your resume. As you can see, Cognizant has also asked for this thing, right? So you can give your like certification here as well. Next, there will be interview preparation. Like there will be number of mock interviews and mock tests before your actual test. As you can see, now Cognizant has come up. And if you want to give a mock test before your actual test, so that you test your skills, like how fast you can answer the questions. So this can be a very good platform, right? So we have company specific classes as well. We cover more than 30 big MNCs where we prepare students for TCS, Infosys, Cognizant, Accenture, Wipro, Tech Mahindra, etc. Mock interviews, as I have already told you, and hence you will be getting success. So for enrolling, you just click on here, enroll now. And these are the three options where we have 6 month validity option, where we have 12-month validity option, and where we have 24-month validity option. You can choose any of this. And I'll give you one discount also if you choose to pay. So you can pay with the discount, that is the coupon code, that is YT offer. So you will get 10% straight away discount on the said prices. And if you want to have talk with one of our mentors about this program or about any of the hiring, that is free of cost. So you can easily talk with us. We are not going to charge you anything. Okay. So you can talk with us, and if you want to discuss about any queries related to your placements or any rounds, you can easily come to us and talk with us. We are happy to answer all your queries. So you can use YT offer code. Okay. Now how to apply? As you know, this is a on-campus hiring. I'm again and again saying college TPO will be providing you the link. Beforehand, you can do two, three things like maintaining a good resume. Just update your LinkedIn profile because it is always considered to be good, and add all the demanded skills. Like in the clusters, they are majorly focusing on Python, SQL. So add the skills whichever you have. So now we are open to questions. Again, I am saying if you want to have one-on-one mentorship session, this is free of cost. Just drop your comment or reach out to us on our official email ID or official website or social media handles like WhatsApp, Instagram. All the links, useful contents, useful connections has been given down in the description box. Go check that out, and I am always happy to help you out. So I wish you all the very best for this particular hiring. Today we have discussed about Cognizant hiring. If you have any doubts, come to us. We will answer all your doubts. Stay tuned for the next update. Subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you do not miss any kind of important update. Thank you. Bye bye.